Hi guys, welcome back. I'll be showing you how you can animate loading icons in 3 different ways in After Effects. So here I have 3 types of loading icons that you can try recreating. So first, it's the blinking window glasses, where we're going to be animating each glass so that one glass after another will blink. Hold the left click button here, head over to rounded rectangle tool, hold the shift key to create a square with rounded corners, just like this. Afterwards, we're going to be animating this window glass so that it blinks. So turn on the stopwatch for opacity, and then half a second later, decrease the opacity level to 10%, and then at 1 second, change it back to 100%, just like this. We're going to have a 1 second offset, so paste it 1 second after the last keyframe, and then it continues on. Alright, we're done. Afterwards, we're going to copy and paste it until there are 4 of the glasses. For the second one, click on this one and then click on grid to position the glass neatly, just like this. Afterwards, we're going to place each glass so that it appears every 30 frames or half a second. Drag it until it starts from half a second, just like this. And then half a second later, you're done. We're done creating this loading icon animation with blinking window glasses. Second, it's the circular loading icon. So hold the left click button, head over to ellipse tool, and then place the cursor to the center. Hold the control and the shift keys, drag it just like this, and then put some stroke, this white stroke, and then remove the fill by clicking on this one. Click on none. Alright, and then we're going to be animating the loading icon. So click on the arrowhead for add, and then head over to trim path so that this stroke will be cut. So if we do it like this, it will be cut just like so, and then go under stroke 1, and then head over to line cap, change the mode into round cap, just like this, and then we're going to make it appear from this. So turn on the stopwatch for start, and then let's say if you want to do a 6-second kind of animation, change it to 0, and then at this second, turn on the stopwatch for end, and then you decrease the ending amount so that it looks like this pretty much. Ooh, yeah, fancy. We can also turn on the stopwatch for offset so that it can be rotated just like this. It will look like this. Cool. So let's add some smoothness for the ending motion by selecting the ending keyframes. Right click Assistant Easy Ease. Right click Velocity, set the influence to 75. And that, folks, is how you can create this circular loading icon animation. Third, it's the divided arcs loading icon. So click on the ellipse tool and then place your cursor to the center. Hold the control and the shift keys to make a perfect circle, just like this. We're going to be dividing this into 8. So click on the arrowhead for add, and then click on trim path, and then go under trim path, set the starting amount to 88.5, and then the ending amount to 99%. We're going to be blinking this divided sector. So let's say if you want to do a 1 second blinking, turn on the stopwatch for opacity at 30 frames, drop it down to 10%. At 1 second, change it back to 100%. And then we're going to have a 1 second offset. 1 second after the last keyframe, paste the same keyframes. Once we're done, make 8 of them. Copy and paste this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for the second one, rotate it 45 degrees. Third one, 90 degrees. Every 45 degrees. Once you're done, make each divided sector to appear 15 frames after the preceding one. And that's how you can create this loading icon animation with divided arcs. Pretty cool. So guys, we finally animated these 3 loading icons in After Effects. They will do so well for your motion graphic works. Thank you for watching guys. Make sure to hit the like button, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!